Welcome! In this quick and updated tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to make a Discord invite link expire after 30 minutes. This helps keep your server private and secure, especially if you only want certain people joining for a short time. Let's get started. First, open the Discord app on your device. You can do this on either mobile or desktop. The process is almost the same in both versions. Once Discord is open, head to the server where you want to create the invite link. At the top of your server screen, tap or click the server's name. This will open a small menu with several options related to your server's settings and customization. From here, select Invite. Now you'll see your current invite link displayed on the screen. Normally, Discord creates links that never expire by default, but you can easily change that. To do so, find and tap Edit Invite Link. This is where you can customize how your link behaves, things like how long it remains active and how many times it can be used. When you tap Edit Invite Link, you'll see a list of expiration time options. Scroll through and choose 30 minutes as the duration for your link. This means anyone who tries to use the link after half an hour will no longer be able to join your server. It's perfect if you're sharing an invite temporarily or don't want old links floating around forever.